Welcome to our project presentation. We are Team 12, consisting of Dinesh, Nick, and myself. Our project is called NudgeShare, and our project partners are Dr. Joseph Connor and the NHS Wales. Speech analysis is useful to help diagnose conditions such as depression and lung disease. There was a pre-existing solution the client had called MobileV. However, it was only available on Android, limiting its users and effectivity in the real world. So our work focused on implementing a new front end for MobileV, upgrading it to a progressive web app, meaning more users can access it on any device. Here are the major requirements for our project. Record journal entries up to 10 minutes, view and edit the recordings, display optimized for desktop and mobile, user login and authentication, display scores and usage graphs, view transcripts and word clouds of recordings, and have the ability to work offline. We are proud to say that we've achieved all of these key requirements. The front end is built on React, which makes use of many packages. The full list of packages will be shown in a later slide, but the main ones include the IDB KeyVal package to store app data such as recordings, word clouds in the IndexedDB, which is a low-level API for client-side storage. The IndexedDB also stores the JWT tokens, which are used for user authentication. The PWA capabilities are made possible by the WordBox package, which abstracts the manual process of creating service workers for offline usage. And the Axios package is used to make structured requests to the backend. The backend is written in Python and uses Flask as its web framework. The IBM Watson SDK is used for transcription and word cloud generation from the audio recordings. And the MySQL database is used to store and manage the data on the backend, such as account details. The backend is deployed on a Junicorn Whiskey server. Both the front end and backend are delivered on an Nginx web server, which runs on an Ubuntu 21.10 virtual machine and deployed on Linode. This is the overall scheme of our application shown on this system diagram. And as you can see, our work was primarily focused on the blue highlighted area. This is a quick demo of the app. This is the login screen. Once logged in, you can go to Records and create a new recording. I had bread for breakfast. And now you can give your recording a name, as well as optional scores. Even though we hit share, you can see that the analysis is not happening. This is because we need to agree to the user consent form here. Once we agree, the analysis begins. The analysis has turned green, which means that it is complete, and we can see a word cloud, a transcript, as well as a words per minute. I was unable to show this in the live demo, but this is how the app would look on a smaller screen, such as on a mobile device. You can see, for example, the navigation bar shifts to the bottom, giving it a more native feel. And here is the full list of frameworks we used. This is our GitHub link and the link to our blog where you can read more about our project. Thank you very much for listening.